Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Check it out. Today we're at the beach. I got my son Kian here. Kian, thanks for helping me out, man, with this one. We're reviewing remember the Geneinno company that makes those underwater ROVs? Well, they sent me their latest. Remember I did a review on their Triton, I think it was called. It was their little bit larger water scooter. So this is a water scooter. As you can see, it's got a leash attached to it. And Kian's actually holding the magnetic charger in his hand. Kian, if you just want to put that white thing right onto the bottom and kind of show how that thing goes. See how it just kind of clips on. Try to take it off and put it on again one more time. So it's a plugless, just a little magnetic thing. Doesn't look like this one has a removable battery, but at least, you know, it has an easy charging. So this one's got these removable little front cages. You might remember their other one had this too, where you just like twist it. It looks like clockwise, and they pop off. So you're going to want to be careful with this one. I mean, if you don't want them to pop off, you might want to just glue them in a little bit, but you just pop them in and then you can hear that little click. And this one's called the Sublue. This is another one of those like mini water scooters where you can put a GoPro on the front. Let me get that up there so you can see it. And this one, the front covers, they don't seem to come off, so you're not going to really be able to take those off and twist them and take them off, kind of like the Geneinno does. This one has a removable battery, so you just push in this button and then we're gonna slide that off and you can pull this whole battery out. That's an 11,000 mAh pretty Mackin battery, and you can see that there's also some rubber seal around the connectors as well. Just kind of put it underneath these tabs in the back and then push it in the bottom and we're all set. We're just sliding it up and it clicks, so you can't take the cover off unless you push that button. So this one comes with this interesting like floater hydrofoil thing. You can see it here, and you can see how the actual Sublue just slides in there. It's got like this interesting little suction cup on the top. Basically you just slide it on like that, and you see how it's going to kind of have this like hydroplane look to it. Link it in with the other GoPro mount down here. It's just to help it float. But if you don't want to use it above 5 meters, you can just take this off and just have it like that. But it seems like it might sink. We're going to test that out too. One more thing this thing has, guys, is right on the back of the floater. You know how some cell phones are actually waterproof? It has its own little cell phone holder too. So we can mount that on the back of the floater. Since you're only going to have the floater in those shallower depths, there's like a little tripod screw mount on the back here. So you put the two little nubs in, and then all you do is you screw this little screw in they give you, and you see how you can unscrew and screw this in right here, and then you can basically lock your waterproof phone in. So I don't know if you had a waterproof case for your phone and you wanted to switch it around and do kind of like a selfie shot. Just something else they kind of included in the box, which is kind of cool. Okay, let's show everybody how that one kind of sinks without that flotation device on it. So just drop it. I'm gonna go down with it. Go. It really sinks. Now this is the Geneinno. I have a little GoPro Session on the front, and you can see how this one has a built-in kind of flotation, so you don't have to worry about this one sinking. Although if you don't need that flotation, it's going to be fighting the buoyancy. So Kian's going to start off at slow speed, and then tell me when you're in high, okay? Go like this. Give me like a peace sign when you're in second speed, okay? Alright, so the slow speed's like really slow, right? I'm probably only going about like 1 mile per hour. And then what do you think the second speed's like? Maybe 3 miles per hour or something?
So you hold the trigger?
Yeah,
right
hold
trigger.
it. That's low, right?
It's medium. That's
Oh, okay. So you're tapping the left, going into low. So that's the lowest. Now try to go higher. Okay.
So about high you do right trigger, I think.
Try it again.
So this is low and high.
So it's only 2 speeds? There you go.
Yeah.
Did you try that high speed yet?
Not yet. Only 2 speeds.
Okay, let's try that high speed and see how fast you go, alright? So in high speed, you're probably going about 3 miles per hour. So not a huge amount of speed, but it's small, so you're gonna have that like small portability for this one. Alright, let's go see what kind of little journey we can do with this guy, Ken, while you're riding it. I'm going to follow you with the Sublue here, and we're going to actually reviewing this as well. This one has a little bit more speed, it seems, a little bit more power, and it has that swappable battery. So we're going to go on an excursion over here into the reef, and we're just going to see how long this battery lasts on this and what kind of footage we can get. Let's go for it. So you out of battery scan? Okay, well, red lights came on, flashing. So guys, we're just trying to run this Sublue down, and it's already lasted just about twice as long. That's pulling my weight. I mean, I weigh like twice as much as Kian, and that pulled me filming him on that full trip, and it's lasting. He's just going around and around. We're trying to deplete the battery, and it's already lasted like twice as long. So just gonna go until it dies, see how long this thing goes for. Still going. I can't believe this. Battery just will not die. Kian just, it's already been like a half hour after we've already done our trip, and it's just still going with the first battery. I have a second battery in my backpack, but we definitely won't need that one. Is it?
It's trying to just shut off and on.
Starting to shut off and on. Okay, well that is incredible though. All right, Kian, so we went quite a ways. We went to the point over there, you guys can see in the video. That's probably, I don't know, like 300-400 yards away. Kian was kind of going in and out of the rocks and stuff. I was trying to follow him. Dude, we saw a couple turtles, yeah? I was chasing him with this guy with this Osmo Action I'm filming on. I was chasing him on the Sublue. His actually ran out of power way before this. We were both, I kind of got some of it on film, we were both holding on to this, and it was pulling us both back. So this one with its swappable battery and larger battery, it seems like it's going to perform a little bit faster and longer. This one has the built-in flotation, so I guess a little comparison between the two. This one you have to put that flotation on top, but it also, you can just put a leash on it, right? So if you wanted to just put a leash on there, it's going to sink pretty darn easy without any kind of flotation device on it. So you can put that on if you want to, but it seems like it lasts a lot longer, so kind of a versus, but this one is definitely okay. It seems like I was saying, this one has just a tad bit faster speed, the Sublue. 3 speeds. This one only has the 2 speeds, slow and fast. But I was in fast speed the whole way, man, and it just lasted like really a long time. We didn't really put the flotation device on it, but as you can imagine, it's going to create a little bit more drag, and then it's going to float up to the surface a lot easier. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget, all the links to these products are always down in the description. Again, thanks a bunch for helping me out, man. That was super fun. I hope you guys enjoy the video we got. We got a bunch of video out there in the coral and the rocks, and we got a couple of turtles. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe we'll put that to a little bit of music so you guys can enjoy it over here in Hawaii. And everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Aloha.